Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you this super soft, moist and delicate chocolate cake. You guys have to try it. So let's get started. Here in a bowl I have 125 grams of flour. Here we're gonna add a pinch of salt, 33 grams of cocoa powder and 9 grams of baking powder. Mix the dry ingredients well and set aside. Here in another bowl, I'll be making my yogurt mixture. Here I'm adding 41 grams of yogurt, 41 grams of milk. Mix well. Now I'm adding 108 grams of oil. Mix. Here I'm adding warm water, 58 grams. Mix well. Set this liquid mixture aside. Here in another bowl, I'll be adding 175 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. We will beat our egg and sugar till it becomes fluffy. Once the eggs are beaten, now we will add our yogurt and milk mixture. Give it a good mix. Now we'll sieve in our dry ingredients. Now I will gently fold in my dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Gently. Here our batter is perfectly ready. Now we will pour our batter in a greased mold dusted with cocoa powder. Now we will bake our cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until done. Here our cake is perfectly ready. Before demolding, I would prefer you to let the cake cool down so it can release easily from the mold. You can decorate as you like. I've drizzled on my cake milky chocolate. As you can see how soft and delicate is this cake. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Please try and give me your feedback. If you're new to my channel, please follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.